Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of 6 minus x to the power of 3, which is equal to 2. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of 6 minus x to the power of 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let the variable x to the power of 3 equal a. So now if I plug in a into this equation for x to the power of 3, we get a squared, because x to the power of 3 squared is x to the power of 6, minus a minus 2 is equal to 0. So now, as you see, we have a quadratic equation. So now if we factor this, we get a minus 2 times a plus 1 is equal to 0. And this gives us two equations. We have a minus 2 equals 0, or a plus 1 is equal to 0. If a minus 2 equals 0, then that means that a is equal to 2. And if a plus 1 equals 0, that means that a is equal to -1. So now that we found out the value for a, this means that we can plug this back into this equation. X to the power of 3 is equal to a. So now we have x to the power of 3 is equal to 2. And if we take the cube root on both sides, we get x is equal to the cube root of 2, or 2 to the power of 1/3. So this is one answer. And we also have x to the power of 3 is equal to -1. And this means that x is equal to -1. So -1 and 2 to the power of 1/3 are our two answers. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 3 is equal to 36. Now I'm first going to take the power of 3 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 3 to the power of 3. And now this is equal to 36 to the power of 3. Now 36, well, this is equal to 6 squared, right? So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 6 squared to the power of 3. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So as you can see here, 6 squared to the power of 3, this would equal 6 to the power of 2 times 3, which is 6 to the power of 6. And in this case, this would equal x to the power of 3x to the power of 3. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is also equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. So then x to the power of 3 to the power 3 times x to the power of 3, this would equal x to the power of 3 to the power of x to the power of 3. This is equal to 6 to the power of 6. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, then this means that a is equal to b. So in this case, this means that x to the power of 3 is equal to 6. And now if I take the cube root on both sides, these two cancel out. Now I'm left with x is equal to the cube root of 6. So this is our answer. And this can also be written as 6 to the power of 1/3.